Various functions in the cash register are listed on the left-hand side of the cash register. On the top of that list is the operator button. When you want to select an operator, you click the operator button. It will list out all the available operators on the cash register that has been loaded as per your operators, which are stylists as well as technicians. By selecting one of them, that operator will be loaded. Now it will automatically proceed down to the next function, which is the client. Now client can be selected, or when you do client record cards, there'll be a barcode printed on the client record card. This barcode can actually be scanned right now, and that client will be loaded automatically. Moving further down, you've got your service. Services are listed as shown here, where you can just select the service. Moving further down is your product. Of course, you could find the product using the search product or by product number or retail 1. Retail 1 is just basically a product that has got no PLU assigned. But if you have a product barcode or a manufacturer's barcode at this point in time, all you need to do is scan the product and it will get loaded on the system. Further down, you've got discounts. Now, discounts can be assigned as a line discount or a total discount. You can choose them from this list, or just basically click on the discount column and it will prompt you for a password or a pass number if appropriate or set up in that way. Expenses. Expenses are mainly used for refreshments or books or whatever to keep a log of your petty cash. Then you have refund, stock in and out, voucher, selling a voucher or redeeming a voucher, and the system would record all vouchers. No sale is just to open the cash drawer. A list is basically further functions that are not listed on these buttons that you might require, which include complimentary, paid accounts, on accounts, paid outs, etc. Then finally at the bottom you've got the payment, which you then use at the end to complete your sale if you have, other than cash, if you have EFTPOS, credit card, etc. as payment type to complete the sale. Now moving on from there, on the top, as you notice, you've got edit and then your operator names. You've actually physically got 4 cash registers that you have access to. So if you have pending sales that are busy happening, you could actually move over to a blank one to quickly make a product sale for a walk-in retail, for example. This gives you the added functionality of getting clients out of the salon as quickly as possible. Going down from the top, you've got your client details, which lists the client name. So if we have to select a client by search category and you bring that client in, you'll have confirmation details to confirm all their details. But once you've confirmed that, you have the client name, the number of points if there's a loyalty program running, as well the number of referrals that this client has actually referred other clients to you. Of course, the center is your list of all items to be sold to the client. Moving further down, you have these yellow buttons which has a $sign. Now that is just specifically used for tendering cash. So instead of going to payment and selecting cash, you can actually click on this, and if someone's giving you a 50, a 20 and a $5, that means it'll add up the cash dollars and proceed to complete the sale. Further down is your receipts, where it will list your receipt number after the receipt is completed. Or you can actually click on this yellow button at any point in time, select a previous sale and print the docket if you need to. So that's the access of today's receipts. At the bottom then you have a clear button, which you can at any point in time, if you don't want the sale to be recorded and you need to clear it, you can clear it. And of course the close button to get right out of the cash register.